with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning today. A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5, subject computer theory, topic formatting in MS Word, part 2. Children, in previous part, we have learned about page formatting and column formatting. In this lesson, we are going to learn paragraph formatting, insert header and footer. So let us see all one by one. Our first topic is paragraph formatting. We have learned how to design our document by setting the page margins, orientation and paper size in earlier part. However, it is also important to ensure that the text written on the page is spaced out so that it is easily readable. For this, we need to configuring space settings around the text and paragraph in our document. Paragraph formatting helps us achieve this by adjusting the following paragraph properties. The first one is paragraph spacing, second line spacing, and the third one is indents. So let us see the first topic, paragraph spacing. When we press the enter key, children, the cursor moves directly to the next line. This is automatically creates space between paragraphs, which is known as paragraph spacing. We can increase or decrease this space that is created or pressing the enter key. Paragraph spacing is the space between paragraph, headings or subheading. To add paragraph spacing, let us see which steps are there. So the first one, which you can see in the picture, select the required text, click the page layout tab. From the paragraph group, children, which you can see in the picture, from the paragraph group, click on the paragraph launcher. The paragraph dialog box appears. Under the spacing section, enter the required value for the spacing in the before and the after box. The number you have to put, the value you have to put. And after doing that, just click on OK. So, the spacing will be done for the paragraph. Now children, second point is line spacing. How to do the line spacing? Line spacing is the white space between two lines of a text in a paragraph. We can increase or decrease this space using the line spacing option. How to do that? What are the steps? The first one is select the required text. Very important. The second option is click on the page layout tab. Third one is from the paragraph group, click the paragraph launcher. The paragraph dialog box will appear. Then under the spacing section, from the line spacing drop down list will come. From there, select the required option. And once you have done it, click on OK. See how it is going to look like. You can see this document. Here is how the document will look after adding the line and the paragraph spacing. Now children, in paragraph formatting, the third point is, the third option is indents. An indent is the distance between the left and the right margin and the paragraph. A first line indent is when the first line is shifted to the right to help the reader quickly catch the start of a paragraph. A hanging indent is where the first line is little less indented than the rest of the paragraph. They are usually used to create list. Now how to apply the indents? Let us see. The first one, you have to select how much you want to change. Select the required text. Second option, click on the page layout tab. Third, from the paragraph group, click on the paragraph launcher. The paragraph dialog box appears. In the indentation section, from the special drop down list will come. Select the first line or hanging indentation option. Alternatively, we can specify specific indentation by typing the number in the left and the right boxes. And then you click on OK. See, you can see in the picture how the first line indent, how the hanging indent. This is the way once you do the certain things in indent.
Now children, our second topic in this lesson is inserting header and footer, which is also an important thing. Now header is the text that appears at the top of every page of a document. It may contain information like the document's name, it can be a title, or it can be company's logo also. Similarly, footer is the text that appears at the bottom of every page of a document. It may contain information like the date or page number of the document or author's name, anything. Now children, how to add the header and footer? Let us see. First thing, you have to click the insert tab. Then from the header and the footer group, click on the header icon, which you can see in the picture. A list of options appears. Then select one of the default header text from the list or click the added header option to write custom header text. The header and the footer tab appears on the ribbon which you can see in the picture. Also the header, which is top margin area, and the footer, which is the bottom margin area, are now editable. So you can edit accordingly however you want. The next thing, write the required text in the header. Suppose company's name or something, anything. So type in that, then scroll down to the bottom of the page to write the text for the footer section like author's name or anything. To add a page number in the footer, what you have to do? Click in the footer area. Second, on a design tab of the header footer tools group, click the page number icon to display the page number option, how much you want. And then third one, select the bottom of a page option and click the required page number format. And once you have completed adding the header and the footer, on the design tab, click the close header and footer option. So once you have done, see how it is going to look like. You can see that in the page. Now children, if you want to delete the header and the footer, for that also we have the option. For that also you should go to the insert tab. From there, header and footer group, click the header icon, and then you have to click on the remove header. Similarly, if you want to delete a footer, also click on the footer icon and click the remove footer. So this is to add header and footer and remove header and footer. So children, in this part we have learned about the paragraph formatting and the header and footer. Next time we'll learn something new. For today only this much. Be safe, take care, goodbye, thank you.